Hi, my name is Pradeep Chauhan. I am from Dhanbad and I completed my graduation in B.C.A. And after that I searching for a job. And one of my friend recommended Evision to me. Then I learned about the Evision and decided to join the course. And during this training Evision, I learned many things such as the all types of generic hardware and system failure, MS lookout and network issues, system related issues and software configurations, troubleshootings, printer configuration and many more things. And after completing the course and I have got the job, the desktop support of engineer and the macro lab private limited company, and with the client the begins value points private limited, and my CTC is the 25k, and evision has been supported to me lots things in this journey. Thank you ma'am, and thank you sir, all of this, and thank you evision.